The volt amps, abbreviated VA, values, such as 4,700 VA for a 3-ton unit and 6,300 VA for a 4-ton unit, are probably derived from the formula volt amps equals 3,413 times tons of cooling. This formula is useful for estimating the apparent power based on the cooling capacity of the air conditioning unit measured in tons. This considers the average running current of an air conditioner under typical operating conditions. It assumes a power factor of 1. When using nameplate data to calculate volt amps, it is better to use the maximum circuit ampacity to determine the volt amp. The maximum circuit ampacity indicates the maximum current the unit is designed to draw under full load. The formula is volt amps equals maximum circuit ampacity times 240 volts. For example, consider a 3-ton air conditioner with a maximum circuit ampacity of 20 amps. Using the formula, volt amps equals 20 amps times 240 volts, which equals 4,800 VA. This result closely aligns with the 4,700 VA calculated using the initial formula based on tonnage. These VA calculations provide an estimate of the power consumption of the air conditioner, which is essential for electrical load calculations and ensuring proper wiring and circuit breaker sizing. These calculations help in understanding the electrical requirements of the air conditioning unit for safe and efficient operation. It's important to recognize that the VA values calculated through these methods are approximate. Several factors can influence the actual VA draw of an air conditioner. These include operating conditions, the type of refrigerant used, and the overall efficiency of the unit. For precise VA and wire sizing information, always consult the manufacturer's specifications. It is also a good idea to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure accurate and safe electrical installations. First, operating conditions significantly affect the VA draw. For instance, during peak summer months, when the air conditioner operates under heavy load to maintain the desired temperature, the VA draw will be higher than during milder weather. Second, the type of refrigerant used in the air conditioner also plays a crucial role. Different refrigerants have varying energy efficiencies, which directly impact the amount of power the unit consumes. Third, the efficiency of the air conditioning unit itself is a key factor. High-efficiency units are designed to deliver the same cooling output with lower power consumption, resulting in lower VA draw compared to older, less efficient models. Consulting the manufacturer's specifications is crucial as they provide detailed information about the unit's electrical characteristics, including the maximum circuit ampacity and recommended wire sizes. A qualified electrician can accurately assess the specific requirements of the installation, taking into account local electrical codes and safety standards, ensuring that the wiring and circuit breakers are appropriately sized to handle the air conditioner's electrical load safely. By considering all these factors and seeking expert advice, one can ensure the safe and efficient operation of the air conditioning system while avoiding potential electrical hazards. Always prioritize safety and accuracy when dealing with electrical installations.